So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily. Gotta drops, according to Sicily.
You gonna help mommy? You gonna help mommy?
Help mommy.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today we are having a Christmas breakfast collab hosted by I'm Merely Melissa and Living Life with Christy. So when you get finished with my video, make sure you head on over and check the playlist so you can see what everyone created for their Christmas breakfast meal. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so we got some orange juice, country style. Never had that, but I'm excited. We got some pumpkin spice cider. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Baduco, Panettone, chocolate chip. Basically, it's fancy bread. I'm going to make some French toast with that. And then we got the honey and brown sugar sausage links. We got the thick cut applewood bacon, the cinnamon sugar butter, and then a big thing of margarine. We got some apples, bananas, ground cinnamon, some black pepper, a bag of powdered sugar. We got some Swiss Miss marshmallow mix. Caden had to have his Reese's Pieces cookie dough cookies. Y'all know, because it's a holiday video, I had to get my holiday apron, not a game. Okay. So, also had to get my plug-in for the kitchen, calm and bright. It kind of matches my theme. Y'all know I don't play. Look, who y'all know that go all out for the theme videos? Your girl do. And then I had to get some measuring spoons with the gingerbread theme. We got to get in the Christmas spirit. If y'all not in the Christmas spirit, you're going to be in it by the time you finish my video. And then I had to get a new serving platter because y'all know y'all love the pumpkin platter. So now it's time to have one for Christmas. This is very weighty, y'all. So that's definitely was worth the money. And if you're going to make waffles, you got to make Santa Claus waffles. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's get this Christmas breakfast going. You going to help mommy? You going to help mommy?
Help mommy.
What's up, y'all? My name is Cicely. For all of those that are new, welcome to my channel. I am a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I enjoy posting content such as vlogs, cook with me's, and a lot of home decor. And I figured that if I can make it through life through sickle cell crisis and hospitalizations, you can make it with everything you have going on. We can do it together. So if you like to follow our journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be up with us anytime we post. All right, y'all, let's get into this breakfast collab. So first things first, anybody that knows me, I am all about themed videos. So I had to put on my themed apron. We had to get some Christmas plugins going because I'm just all about the season. So me and Daniel are putting the bacon in the pan. My baby loves to help mommy cook. And I just feel that it's essential to teach boys that it's okay to cook and clean because it's not just a female thing. So we're going to get the bacon and the sausage going, and we're going to go ahead and do the video a little different this time. We're going to go ahead and do our subscriber shout out, and then I'll just have music playing for the rest of the video. So for our subscriber shout out, if you want to be shout out in the next video, it's easy. Just join the fam and leave us a comment and you can be featured next. So today's subscriber shout out comes from our last video, which was a Christmas clean and decorate with me part 1. The comment comes from Uniquely Lisa. She says, beautiful job. I love all your decorations. Thanks for sharing. Hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. I appreciate your comment. I definitely love decorating for the holiday seasons. All right, y'all, let's get into this breakfast. Enjoy.
go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit.
All right, so now that we got the batter out of the way for the French toast, we're going to go ahead and open up our Santa waffle maker. Y'all, I cannot tell you how excited I was when I saw this in Walmart, because I am about all of the things themed. So we pulled it out, and me and Daniel found ourselves arguing, yes, with a 2-year-old over the instructions of how to use the manual. Comment down below if you explain yourself to your kids. Maybe it's just me, but when I grew up, we didn't get options. You know, I didn't get to ask a lot of why. It was like what my mom said goes. But I just believe there's a different or a better way to parent. So I find myself arguing, going back and forth, and explaining things to my kids. Comment down below if you are the same way or if you're more of an old school parent.
Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna finish up my French toast, and it'll be time to show y'all how everything turned out. If you are still here thus far in the video, do me a favor and give this video a huge thumbs up, as it helps to circulate my channel, and drop this emoji down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah.
According to Sicily.